Dear viewers, welcome to my English channel, Department of English. Today I am going to share with you English for Media course. So, today I will discuss about concept of communication and nature or features of communication. So, let's get started. Concept of communication. Communication is the method of transferring information between people or group for mutual understanding and confidence. It involves the flow of information from the sender to the receiver. The receiver must understand the meaning and message of information. It can also be taken as the process of sharing ideas, thoughts, opinions, and views from one person to another person. A manager should communicate effectively to his subordinates to implement the plans and policies. The communication is one of the important functions of management. Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place to another. It can be verbal, written by using printed or digital media such as books, magazines, websites, or emails. Similarly, visual using logos, maps, charts, or graphs, and non-verbal using body language, gestures, and the tone and pitch of the voice. Dear viewers, let's discuss nature or features of communication in very short. Communication is an exchange of ideas. Communication is the process through which an exchange of information takes place. It is the sharing information, ideas, concepts, and messages. Number two, two or more parties are involved in it. In communication, exchange of information takes place between two or more persons. The one who initiates the exchange is the sender of the message, speaker, writer, and the one who receives and interprets it is the receiver of the message, listener or reader. Number three, it is a two-way process. So that's all about today's topic, concept of communication and nature or features of communication. So that's all for the timing. Thanks for your patience hearing.